Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to Learn Macedonian Language. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to communicate at the post office and at the bank, how to send letters, exchange money, and ask for information politely in Macedonian. So whether you're visiting Macedonia or just want to reconnect with your roots, this lesson will help you feel confident in everyday situation. Let's start with some basic vocabulary. To send a letter, pismo, or parcel, packet, you go to the post office, na pošta. For the letter, you will need covert, envelope, and marca, stamp. When you need money, pari, you go to the bank, na banka. There you can open an account, smetka. If you have a cash money, cash pari, and you want to exchange them, you go to the exchange office, menuvachnica. Here, after exchanging the money, you will get the receipt, smetka, potvrda. Here are some common phrases at the post office. Sakam da ispratam pismo. I want to send a letter. Колко чини марката? How much is the stamp? Sakam da ispratam paket во странство. I want to send a package abroad. Къде е поштата? Where is the post office? And here are some common phrases at the bank. Sakam da razmenam pari. I want to exchange money. Sakam da otvoram smetka. I want to open an account. Колко е курсот денес? What's the exchange rate today? Sakam da podignem pari. I want to withdraw money. Ви благодарам. Thank you. It's time for a mini dialogue. Сакам да испратам пакет во Германија. Добро, колку тежи пакетот? Околу 2 килограми. Во ред, тоа ќе биде 300 денари. And the translation would be, I want to send the package to Germany. Okay, how much does the packet weigh? About 2 kilograms. Alright, that will be 300 dinars. Now it's your turn to practice. Try to say these sentences out loud in Macedonian. I want to send a letter. Where is the post office? I want to exchange money. What's the exchange rate today? And the bonus challenge is try to write one of those phrases in the comments below in both Macedonian and English. It's time for the fun facts and history. In many smaller Macedonian towns, the post office is a social spot. People often chat while waiting in a line or catching up with neighbors. Macedonians love to say "ke stigne," meaning it will arrive, a gentle, patient way of trusting things will work out, even if the mail is too late. Some banks in Macedonia still keep a personal touch. Tellers often remember your name or your family. And here is something sweet. Many older Macedonians still keep letters from their youth, treasured memories from when love and news traveled on paper, not phones and social media. Odlično! Excellent! Now you can send mail, exchange money, and handle simple errands in Macedonian with ease. Thank you for your attention. Ви благодарам на вниманието. In the next episode, we'll visit shopping for clothes in Macedonian, where you'll learn how to ask for sizes, color, and try things on like a native speaker. Се гледаме наскоро. See you soon.